check this one out. We got peanut butter cup of the woods down here in the ground here. Look at these. Let's get some good shots real quick. That is Galiella rufa. Galiella refers to the French mycologist Marcel Legas. I believe he's the one that actually discovered this. The rufa refers to the rusty brown hymenophore. Yo, let me grab this guy. There we go. There, underside shot where it was attached to the duff of the forest. But I want to catch the little fine hairs on this. Let me see if my camera can do that. Oh, we got a little sun peeking out now too. Can we get focus? There. Can you guys see those fine hairs? Hard to get a good focus on this. That's better. Beautiful mushroom. No, I'm not eating it. It's very rubbery. And as far as I know, there's no knowledge of any edibility on this. Do I need to be the first one to try? Hey, like this and subscribe for more.